Now we go to question number 6. First we read the questions. Varsha and Prajakta are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 7:6. We have to divide the net profit in this one ratio, 7:6 ratio. From the following trial balance and addition information, prepare trading P&L account for the end date 31st March 14 and balance sheet as on that date. Now debit balances. Opening stock is the first placement of a trading account. We have to write TD. Bills receivable is an assets. Write A. Wages and salary. First word is the wages, is direct expenses. Therefore, it is a TD. Sundry debtors is an assets. Write A. Purchases is also direct expenses. Write a TD. Building is an assets. A. Discount is a indirect expenses. PD. General expenses is also indirect expenses. Write a PD. Audit fees is a indirect expenses. PD. Bad debts is indirect expenses. PD. Now cash in hand is assets. A. Traveling expenses is a indirect expenses. Write PD. Motor car is an assets. Write A. Trade expenses. Now given question, general expenses is given. Therefore trade expenses is a direct expenses. Write a TD. Rent paid for 9 months. It is a indirect expenses. Write PD. Now here hidden adjustment is given. Rent paid for 9 months. It means 3 months rent is payable, 3 months rent is outstanding. We have to find out the outstanding rent, and effect will be made as added in rent account, and second effect will be on liability side. Now how it is find out? 4,500 rent is for 9 months. We have to divide by 9. It comes a 500 rent per month. For 3 months will be multiplied by 3. It comes a 1,500 rupees. It will be added in rent account and on liability side. Now on credit side, reserve for doubtful debts is old RDD. It is deducted from bad debts PD. We have to take out the bad debts here. Now sundry creditors is liability L. Sales is a direct income. It's a TC. General reserve is liabilities L. Now outstanding salaries is a liabilities L. Capital, Varsha's capital L, liabilities, and Prajakta capital L, liabilities. Now adjustment number. First is adjustment. Closing stock is valued to be 42,000. First effect is a trading account credit side, and second effect is on asset side. Now bills receivable included dishonor bill. It will be deducted from BR account, and second effect added in debtors account. It means A minus and A plus. Both effects are on asset side. We have to find out the bills receivable, tick out 1, sundry debtors, tick out 1. Now third adjustment. Goods rupees 2,100 were taken by Varsha for personal use, not entered in the books accounts. First if it is a trading account credit sides and a capital deducted. We have to take out the Varsha's capital. Here it is. Now see, fourth adjustment. Goods worth rupees 4,000 were sold on 27th March 14, but no entry was made in the books accounts. It is a unrecorded sales. It is a unrecorded sales. It will be added in sales account and added in debtors account. We have to take out sales and added in debtors, take out debtors account. Now next adjustment. Write off rupees 2,000 for bad debts. First effect, it will be deducted from debtors account, and second effect PD. It means we have to take out the debtors and added in bad debts one. Okay. Now next, maintain RDD at 5% on debtors. Its same effect will be deducted from debtors and added in bad debts. We have to again take out debtors and bad debts one. Now next, sixth adjustment. Traveling expenses include personal traveling expenses of Mrs. Prajakta. It will be deducted from traveling expenses and also deducted from capital account. we have to take out the traveling expenses. Here it is. And also Prajakta's capital will be take out one. Now last adjustment. Depreciate building at a 7%. It will be deducted from building account and second paid on PD side. We have to take out buildings. Here it is building and second paid on PD side. Now we go to the answer sheet. Answer sheet is like this one. First we try to complete the trading account. Mrs. Varsha Prajakta's trading profit account for the end date 31st March 14. Debit, credit, particular rupees, particular rupees, inner outer. Now here it is. First item, opening stock. We have to find out the opening stock. Now see, opening stock is the first item. Right on first placement, opening stock. Amount is 44,000. Okay. Now see, second is the purchase one. Find the purchases. Here it is purchases. Write two purchases. Rupees 1,30,000. Now sequentially go. Find out the TD item. TD. Now wages salary. Right here it is. Two wages and salaries. Wages and salaries. Amount rupees 12,000. Right 12,000. Okay. Now second, purchase return. TD item we have to find out. Trade expense you have to write. To trade expenses. Trade expenses amount rupees 4,300. Now see, TD 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on credit sides, find out the TC item by sales. Now tick is there. We have to write inner column rupees 2 lakhs. Okay. Now in this one we have to find the adjustments. Sales. It is to be unrecorded sales. We have to add unrecorded sales. Rupees 4,000. Its addition comes 2,04,000. Okay. Now see again TC items. Nothing else. Now an adjustment. Closing stock. Right here it is. Last item closing stock. Amount is 42,000. 42,000 closing stock. Now see again one TC items. Now here goods taken by Varsha. We write the middle line by goods taken by Varsha. Goods taken by Varsha. Amount rupees 2,100. 2,100. Okay. Now see again find out the TC point. Okay. Nothing else. Now we close the trading account. Total of credit sides. It's come rupees 2,48,000. 2,48,000. Right on debit side also. 2,48,000. Now from this total we have to subtract these four items and the answer will be 57,800. You have to check one. To gross profit carried down. Now it is transferred to PL account credit sides. Write down credit side by gross profit. It's a brought forward rupees 57,800. Now try to complete debit side of PL account. We find out the PD item. First is a salary. Find the first salary. Salary is not given. We go sequentially. PD discount. Just first we write general expenses. To general expenses. Amount is 3,800. First, then we have to write a to discount one. Discount amount is 1,400. Now again, sequentially we find out the feed item, discount return, general. Now audit fees. To audit fees, here it is. audit fees amount rupees 4,000. Okay. Now next is a bad debts. Right here it is bad debts 1, 2 bad debts. Amount rupees 3,500 inner column. We have to 3 adjustment. First is a find adjustment. Bad debts 1. We have to add further bad debts. Further bad debts. Amount rupees 2,000. Then again we have to add RDD. RDD, we have to make the working notes on this one side. First is RDD is a 5% on debtors. 5% on a debtors. It comes 5% on a find out debtors amount is a 52,000. 52,000. In this amount we have to debtors 4 adjustments are given. We have to add firstly unrecorded sales. Unrecorded sales. Then again we have to BR dishonored add on. BR dishonored. And again we have to less bad debts 1. Bad debts and amounts comes rupees 5% on rupees 52,000 plus unrecorded sales 4,000 plus BR discount 4,000 and bad debts 2,000. It comes 5% on rupees 58,000. It means 2,900 is the RDD. Okay. Now we have to write here new RDD 2,900. Total comes 4, carry 1, 4 plus 4, 8, 8,400. Now again we have to less old RDD. Old RDD is on credit side rupees 2,100. Now it comes 6,300. It comes 6,300. Bad debts is complete one. Now next reason is a traveling expenses. Right here is to traveling expenses. Amount is 4,200. Right on inner column. Okay. Now adjustment is given. Traveling expenses. Here it is. Personal traveling expenses rupees 800. We have to subtract personal expenses. 800. It comes 3,400. Now traveling complete. Now trade expenses. It is a return on debit side, trading account debit side. Now write rent. To rent rupees 4,500. 4,500. Okay, we have to add outstanding rent for 3 months. It comes 1,500. Now see 1,500 rent outstanding. We have to add one. And additions total will sum 6,000. Okay. Now again we have to find out the PD item. PD1. Okay. Bad debts return, RD return, traveling expense return. Now depreciation. We have to write here it is to depreciation. Depreciation at 7% on building. We find the building account. Building. Rupees 80,000. It comes 5,600. Okay. Now on credit sides, we find a PC item. PC. Okay, nothing else. Now we go to close the PL account. Total of credit sides firstly. It comes 57,800. Okay. Now on debit side, right? 57,800. Okay. Now from this total, we have to subtract all these items and answer comes rupees 27,300. It comes 27,300. You have to check out the answers, totals, and it net profit transfer to net profit, transfer to partners capital. First name is a Varsha and second name is a Prajakta. Its ratio is given 7:6. It means 27,300 divided by 7 plus 6, 13. It comes to 1. 2100 into 7 into 6. It comes 14,700 Varsha's ratio, and Prajakta's ratio will come 12,600. Okay, we check the additions. 6 plus 7, 13, 4, 1, 7, 1. Okay, that's correct one. Now we go to the balance sheet. Balance sheet answer is just like this one. Varsha's and Prajakta's balance sheet as on 31st March 14. Liability side, asset side, rupees in order. On asset side, first we have to find out the fixed assets. See the fixed asset on debit sides. Here building. Building is fixed asset. We have to write on first line, write a building. Rupees 80,000 in inner column. We have to subtract. Tick is given. Adjustment is depreciation at 7%. We have to write let depreciation at 7%. It comes 5,600 and subtraction will comes 74,400. Now next is a fixed asset. We have to motor car is a fixed asset. We have to write motor car. Motor car. No tick is given. We directly write outer side 45,000. Okay. Now we go sequentially the other assets. Here bills receivable is assets. Right here it is bills receivable. Amount is 28,000. Okay. There is a tick. We have to find out adjustment. Bills receivable include dishonor bill rupees 4,000. It is subtracted from BR. Write a less dishonor. BR rupees 4,000. Deduction comes rupees 24,000. Again we have to find out the other assets. Sundry debtors. Sundry debtors is assets. We have to write sundry debtors here it is. Amount is 52,000. Write 52,000. There are 4 adjustments. We have to find out the one by one. Second adjustment, bills receivable include dishonor bill. We have to subtract from BR and added in debtors. Debtors, we have to add dishonor bill. Dishonor bill rupees 4,000. Again, fourth adjustment, unrecorded sales is given. We have to add it in debtors account. Add unrecorded sales. Unrecorded sales, it comes 4,000. Again we have to fifth adjustment, write off rupees 2,000 as a bad debt sir. We have to subtract bad debt sir. Rupees 2,000. Its answer comes rupees 58,000. Again we have to deduct RDD. Okay, it's a new RDD. Is to find out already rupees 2,900 less 2,900. Its answer comes rupees 5,500. Now see next item. Sundry debtors is written. Now see building return, audit fee return. Now cash at bank. Cash at bank rupees. Here write down. Cash at a bank. Amount is 11,500. Okay. Now see A. Nothing else. Now on asset sides. Adjustment. Closing stock. Right here it is closing stock. Closing stock. Amount is 42,000. Okay. Now see again we have to find out the A. Okay, nothing else. Now go on liability sides. We first write the capital. First name is Varsha. Her capital rupees 80,000. We have to add net profit. Her proportion is rupees 12,600. It is to be added in a capital 12,600. 12,700. Okay. Additions comes 94,700. Now see, adjustment is given. We have to find out the adjustment. Third adjustment, goods rupees 200 were taken by Varsha for personal use. It is to be deducted. We have to less goods taken. Amount rupees 2,100. Okay, now deduction comes 92,600. Next name is Prajakta. Her capital rupees 60,000. Right in the column. Again we have to add net profit. Her proportion is rupees 12,600. Okay, right, add 12,600. Additions comes 72,600. Again there is a tick. We have to find out the adjustment. The sixth adjustment is traveling expense include personal traveling expenses of Mrs. Prajakta. It is to be deducted from capital as a traveling expenses. Rupees 800. And final answer comes 71,800. Okay. Now see, credit sides, liability we have to find out. L. Now sundry creditors liability. Right here it is sundry creditors. Sundry creditors. Amount is 55,400. Okay. Now see, general reserve is also liabilities. Right here it is general reserve. Amount is 28,000. Again we have to find out the L. Outstanding salary is also liabilities. Rupees 2,700. Outstanding salary is rupees 2,700. Find out the L. Now here it is L. Outstanding rent is also liability. Rent is 1,500. Again we have to find the L. Okay, nothing else. Now we make the totals of asset side and liability side. It comes tally. Amount is 2,52,000. We have to check also 252 total. And that's his answer. Finish. Okay. Thank you.